Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a rational function equation. The given equation is 7 over x minus 2 minus 4 over x minus 1 plus 3 over x plus 1 equals 0. This is a rational function equation because the variable x is in the denominator. The first step is to find the restrictions for this equation. We can find the restrictions by setting the denominator expressions equal to 0 and solving for x. Let's start with the first denominator, x minus 2. The first restriction is x equals 2. Now we can find the second restriction. The second restriction is x equals 1. Now we can find the third restriction. This is the third restriction. We can write the restrictions as x cannot be equal to -1, 1 or 2. If a solution for this equation is -1, 1 or 2, it will be an invalid solution. Now we can start solving this equation. We have to get rid of the denominators in the three terms. For that, we should multiply each term in this equation by the lowest common denominator. The lowest common denominator is x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1. So we should multiply each term on both sides of the equation by x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1. On the right side of the given equation, there is a 0. 0 times x minus 2 times x minus 1 times x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So the 0 stays on the right side. Now we can simplify the terms on the left side. We can cancel out the common expressions in the numerator and the denominator. Next, we can distribute the terms in the parentheses. We can use the FOIL method. Next, we can combine the like terms in the parentheses. In the first parentheses, plus x and negative x will cancel each other out. In the second parentheses, x minus 2x is equal to minus x. In the third parentheses, negative x minus 2x is equal to minus 3x. Next, we can distribute the numbers in their respective parentheses. Next, we can combine like terms. Let's start with the x squared terms. 7x squared minus 4x squared plus 3x squared is equal to 6x squared. Now we can combine the x terms. 4x minus 9x is equal to negative 5x. Now we can combine the number terms. Negative 7 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to plus 7. This is a quadratic equation. It is a complex trinomial, but we cannot factor this complex trinomial. So we have to use quadratic formula to solve this equation. In this quadratic equation, a is equal to 6, b is negative 5, and c is 7. Now we can sub in these values in this quadratic formula. Negative 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times 6 times 7 is equal to negative 168. Twenty-five minus 168 is equal to negative 143. Square root of a negative number is not a real number. That means this rational equation has no solution. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.